Looking to make your apartment feel like a high-tech fortress without dealing with messy wires, confusing setups, or expensive installers? Here's something surprising. Most break-ins in apartments happen through simple entry points like doors and windows, not dramatic movie-style scenes. So the real question is, are you actually protected right now? Or just assuming you are? In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best security cameras for apartments in 2026 that are smart, easy to use, and actually practical for everyday living. And yes, all the links are in the description so you can check them out anytime. Let's dive in. Number 5. Now starting with number 5. The Funstorm 2025 upgraded security camera might look small, but don't let its size fool you, because this thing is built for people who want set-it-and-forget-it security. What's interesting here is its 4K odd recording combined with an impressive 100-day standby battery life, which instantly makes it stand out in a market where most cameras constantly need charging or wiring. In real apartment use, this camera works best as a hidden or corner-mounted device thanks to its cube design and magnetic base, making it super flexible compared to bulkier options like the Wyze Cam Pan V3 or even the eufy E220. It also offers solid per-motion detection that sends instant alerts, and in comparison, it actually feels a bit more battery efficient than the eufy system, but it doesn't match eufy's smooth AI tracking or Arlo's premium intelligence features. The night vision is decent and works well in dark hallways or entry points, but if you compare it directly with the Google Nest Cam's dark clarity, you'll notice Nest handles lighting transitions better. Still, where Funstorm really wins is simplicity and battery life. It's perfect for renters who don't want subscriptions or complicated setups. However, it does fall behind in smart features, especially when compared to number 3 and number 1 cameras that offer stronger AI detection and ecosystem integration. So here's a question for you. Would you trade smart AI features for extreme battery life? Let me know what you think in the comments, because this one really depends on your lifestyle. Number 4. Coming in at number 4, the Wyze Cam Pan V3 is honestly one of those cameras that proves you don't need to spend a lot to get serious coverage. The biggest highlight here is its 360-degree rotation and 180-degree tilt, which basically means it can see almost every corner of your apartment without needing multiple devices. Compared to the Funstorm camera at number 5, Wyze clearly wins in movement and coverage, but it does lose in resolution since it's only 1080p, while others like eufy E220 and Arlo 2K offer much sharper detail. In real apartment situations, this camera shines in living rooms or open spaces where it can track movement smoothly, whether it's pets, guests, or deliveries. The motion tracking is surprisingly accurate for its price range, and it even competes well with more expensive systems like eufy's dual camera kit when it comes to tracking flow, but it doesn't match eufy's AI intelligence or Arlo's subscription-based smart alerts. Another thing to note is its outdoor capability with IP65 rating, which actually gives it an advantage over indoor-only cameras like the Funstorm or Arlo indoor model. However, it is still limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which can feel a bit outdated compared to the dual-band stability you get in number 3 or number 1. So the real comparison here is simple. Wyze is all about coverage and affordability, while others focus more on clarity and smart features. What do you think? Would you choose wide coverage or higher resolution? Drop your thoughts below. Number 3. At number 3, we have the Arlo Essential Indoor Security Camera 2K, and this is where things start to feel more premium. Right away, the 2K resolution makes a huge difference compared to Wyze's 1080p, especially when you zoom in or try to identify faces or objects in detail. But what really makes Arlo stand out is its physical privacy shutter, something you don't get in most competitors like the Google Nest Cam or Wyze system. In everyday apartment use, this is a big deal because it gives you real control over privacy, not just software settings. Compared to number 4 and number 5, Arlo clearly feels more polished and secure, but it does rely heavily on subscription-based features, which can be a downside if you prefer free local storage like eufy offers in number 2. The AI detection is smart and can distinguish between people and pets, but again, it's not as conversational or advanced as Google Nest's Gemini system in number 1. In terms of design, it's sleek, modern, and blends perfectly into apartments without drawing attention, unlike more visible rotating cameras. However, it doesn't rotate or pan like Wyze or eufy, meaning it's more of a fixed smartwatcher rather than a full coverage tracker. So, the real comparison is privacy plus clarity versus flexibility plus movement. Which one matters more to you in your home setup? Let me know. Number 2. Now at number 2, the eufy Security Indoor Cam E220 cam kit is where smart tracking and privacy really come together in a balanced way. Unlike Arlo or Google Nest, one of the biggest advantages here is local storage support, meaning you don't have to rely on monthly subscriptions to access your recordings. That alone makes it a favorite for budget-conscious apartment users. In real-world use, the 360-degree tracking is extremely smooth, and it actually competes closely with Wyze Pan v3, but with the added benefit of 2K resolution, which makes everything noticeably sharper. Compared to number 3 Arlo, eufy feels more practical because it avoids subscription dependency, but it doesn't have Arlo's physical privacy shutter or Nest's AI intelligence. Another standout feature is its pet detection and voice alerts, which is something neither Wyze nor Funstorm really matches at this level. In apartment setups, especially for bedrooms or living rooms, this system feels very complete because it covers movement, privacy, and storage in one package. However, when you compare it to number 1 Google Nest Cam, eufy starts to feel more traditional and less smart AI-driven. It's powerful, but not conversational or deeply integrated into a smart home ecosystem. So here's the big question. Would you prefer full control with no subscriptions, or deeper AI intelligence that thinks for you? I'd love to hear your take. Number 1. And finally, at number 1, the Google Nest Cam Indoor Wired 3rd Gen is basically the smartest security camera on this list, and it completely changes how you think about home security. The biggest upgrade here is the 2K HDR video combined with Google's Gemini AI system, which doesn't just show you footage, it understands it. Compared to everything from Wyze to eufy and Arlo, this camera feels like it belongs in a future smart home. Instead of just alerts, it can actually describe what's happening, like telling you if a person, pet, or specific activity is detected. In apartment use, the 1:52 wide field of view is also one of the best, covering more area than Arlo or eufy, which means fewer blind spots. However, unlike eufy at number 2, it does not support local storage, so everything is cloud-based, which may not be ideal for everyone. Still, when compared to Arlo's subscription model or Wyze's basic tracking, Nest feels more intelligent and deeply connected to your daily life. The HDR performance also beats most cameras in lighting balance, especially in apartments with mixed lighting conditions. So while it may not have a privacy shutter like Arlo or battery life like Funstorm, it wins in pure intelligence and smart home integration. The real question is, do you want a camera that just records, or one that actually understands what's happening in your home? So there you have it, the 5 best security cameras for apartments in 2026. Each with its own strengths depending on your needs, whether it's budget, privacy, AI intelligence, or full coverage. At the end of the day, the best camera is the one that fits your lifestyle and makes you feel safe every single day. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out easily. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment which camera you liked the most, and subscribe for more smart tech breakdowns just like this. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.